The new Laser Tools handheld thermal imaging camera combines the function of a surface measuring infrared thermometer with real-time thermal imaging that actually lets you see what's hot and cold on screen. It provides instant troubleshooting and lets you pinpoint the target area to get reliable readings. This versatile device has multiple applications. Find the location of hot water pipes hidden in this wall cavity, for example. And diagnose why this car is pulling to the right under braking. Check the temperature of the brake discs. And we discover that this rear disc is running hotter than all the rest. The brake caliper must be sticking. It's there to see quite clearly on the screen. The screen image has a useful outline function that lets you target specific components. This V8 engine is misfiring, so the next step is to check the temperature of the exhausts. Looking at the exhaust components, we can see that one side of the catalytic converter is obviously cooler. Then checking the exhaust manifold on that side, close to the cylinder head, we can clearly see that the cylinder is not firing. Test the correct functioning of motor vehicle heating and air conditioning systems. See the air movement on screen. Save the images on the micro SD card. Then use the saved images to provide a report for your customer. The Laser 6515 is easy to use. No special training is required. The controls, menu system and icons keep it simple. And an additional very useful feature is the UV leak detector function, used for detecting leaks in cooling systems and air conditioning systems when a suitable UV indicator dye is used. When things are heating up, reach for the troubleshooting tool that lets you see exactly where the problem is. Automotive diagnostics, cooling system checks, heating and air conditioning system function, engine misfires, in-vehicle draft and wind noise identification, hot spots in wiring, fuses and connections, heated seat element function, brake analysis, bearings, gearbox and differential, UV leak detection for cooling and air conditioning systems, automotive tuning, tyre temperature spread, hot and cool spots in the exhaust system, engineering, machine bearings running hot, machine wiring and connector hotspots, machine cooling system analysis, building heating and plumbing, central heating system checks, tracing hot water pipes, radiator airlocks, HVAC system checks, draft finding, electrical wiring and fuse boxes, double glazing heat loss, damp detection. Quickly find and troubleshoot temperature-related issues around the house or office and solve problems fast. Medical, muscle tissue damage, joint inflammation, screening for illness. When things are heating up, reach for the troubleshooting tool that lets you see exactly where the problem is. The 6515 thermal camera with UV leak detector from Laser Tools.